Can you feel it in the air? The days are getting longer, the sun is getting warmer, and there's a certain spring in everyone's step. That's right, Easter is hopping around the corner, and it's the perfect time to bring some springtime cheer into your home. But forget those same old store-bought decorations. This year, we're all about creating a unique and personalized Easter haven with some awesome DIY magic. Intrigued? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to share some pro tricks and Easter egg-excellent wink ideas that will transform your home from drab to fab in no time. But before we do that, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of our future Easter-related videos. So let's think beyond the basket. Baskets are great for centerpieces, but this year, why not get creative and showcase your unique style? Repurpose old watering cans with a fresh coat of paint in a cheerful spring hue. Vintage suitcases instantly add a touch of whimsical charm, and woven bowls provide a natural, textured element. Fill any of these unexpected containers with Easter cheer colorful eggs, nests overflowing with crinkle paper and faux chicks, or a vibrant mix of spring flowers. Nature's touch. Spring is all about renewal, so embrace the outdoors. Fill vases with colorful branches adorned with pastel-painted feathers, or nestle faux birds' eggs in a bed of soft moss for a touch of natural elegance. Take a walk in your garden or local park and collect interesting twigs, pine cones, or colorful pebbles. Arrange them in a decorative bowl or tray for a rustic touch, or use them to create miniature birds' nests filled with Easter eggs or colorful candies. You can even spray paint natural elements like pine cones in soft pastel colors for a more whimsical look. Light it up! String fairy lights around a mantelpiece adorned with paper mache bunnies, or create a magical atmosphere with mason jars filled with fairy lights and hidden amongst silk flowers. Take your lighting a step further by weaving fairy lights throughout a floral arrangement, or placing flameless LED candles inside painted terracotta pots for a warm glow. You can even create a starry night effect on your ceiling by using glow-in-the-dark stars and fairy lights, perfect for creating a whimsical ambience for an Easter egg hunt. Don't forget to hop on over to Decorants, my YouTube channel. I've created a dedicated Easter decoration playlist bursting with creative ideas to inspire you. Get ready to discover egg-excellent egg decorating techniques, show-stopping Easter tablescapes, and delightful outdoor Easter decorations, all in one place. So subscribe to Decorants and let's make this Easter unforgettable. Did you know? Studies show that surrounding yourself with bright colors can actually boost your mood. So don't be shy, embrace those pastel yellows, vibrant pinks, and cheerful greens. Egg-excellent garland. Don't just decorate the table, string a vibrant garland. Here are two creative ideas. Bouncy bunny banner. Cut out bunny shapes from colorful construction paper or felt. Glue them onto a long piece of twine or yarn, alternating them with pom-poms or fluffy cotton balls for a whimsical touch. Confetti extravaganza. For a more modern twist, punch out confetti circles in various pastel colors and metallic shades from cardstock. String them together with a sewing machine or hole punch and thread for a dazzling display. Welcome spring. Don't let the Easter spirit stop at your doorstep. Craft a whimsical wreath using grapevines as a base. Decorate it with a variety of colorful elements that celebrate the arrival of spring. Hot glue artificial flowers in pastel shades like lavender, pink, and yellow for a pop of color. Add small wooden cutouts of bunnies and chicks for a playful touch. Of course, no Easter wreath is complete without a few well-placed Easter eggs. Paint plastic or foam eggs in soft pastels or bright polka dots and nestle them amongst the greenery for a delightful welcome to your home. We also love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you think of these ideas. Which one is your favorite and why? Do you have any questions or suggestions for us? We would love to hear from you. Transform everyday objects. Take a peek around your house. Inspiration might be hiding in plain sight. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Tin can terrarium. Upcycle empty tin cans by painting them in cheerful spring colors. Fill them with potting soil and plant tiny succulents or cacti for a miniature, low-maintenance Easter garden. Book page bunnies. Have some old, dusty books lying around? Don't toss them. Cut out bunny shapes from vintage book pages and string them together on twine for a unique and literary garland. Egg carton chicks. Don't throw away those empty egg cartons. Separate the individual compartments and paint them in bright yellow. Glue googly eyes and felt beaks for an adorable army of chicks. Nest them amongst colorful Easter eggs for a charming centerpiece. Did you know? According to a recent study, people are more likely to linger in spaces decorated with natural elements. So, bring the outdoors in and let the calming vibes of nature set the tone for your Easter celebration. Think upcycled. Embrace sustainability and get crafty with upcycled materials. Here are a few ideas. Newspaper baskets. Weave colorful newspaper strips into a charming Easter basket. This is a great project for kids and a fantastic way to repurpose old newspapers. Wine cork bunnies. Collect leftover wine corks and transform them into adorable bunny figurines. Paint them white or pastel colors, add googly eyes and felt noses, and use pipe cleaners for cute little whiskers. Perfect for decorating your windowsill or mantelpiece. Think vertical. Don't limit your decorations to surfaces. Take them vertical. Hang colorful Easter egg garlands from doorways or drape them across a mantelpiece. Create a whimsical Easter mobile using paper cutouts of bunnies, chicks, and flowers. You can even string together colorful paper lanterns or origami cranes for a festive touch. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new and got design inspiration for your home, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week on home design, decor, and DIY projects that you don't want to miss. Think upcycled. Embrace sustainability and get crafty with upcycled materials. Here are a few ideas. Newspaper baskets. Weave colorful newspaper strips into a charming Easter basket. This is a great project for kids and a fantastic way to repurpose old newspapers. Wine cork bunnies. Collect leftover wine corks and transform them into adorable bunny figurines. Paint them white or pastel colors, add googly eyes and felt noses, and use pipe cleaners for cute little whiskers. Perfect for decorating your windowsill or mantelpiece. Think vertical. Don't limit your decorations to surfaces. Take them vertical. Hang colorful Easter egg garlands from doorways or drape them across a mantelpiece. Create a whimsical Easter mobile using paper cutouts of bunnies, chicks, and flowers. You can even string together colorful paper lanterns or origami cranes for a festive touch. Did you know? Research suggests that surrounding yourself with natural textures like wood, stone, and textiles can promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. So, embrace the natural world and let it inspire your Easter decor. Mix and match scales. Did you know? According to research, using a variety of scales in your decor can create a sense of visual interest and depth in a space. Don't be afraid to combine a large decorative Easter egg with smaller accents like mini nests and garlands for a visually engaging display. All right, everyone, that's it. Let your creativity hop and create an amazing Easter space. For more Easter decor inspo, subscribe to Decorants. Happy crafting!